With digital transformation initiatives steadily on the rise, many companies are asking themselves the question, what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the technology-driven evolution of your operations, product life cycles, and business models to meet the changing expectations of your customers and workforce. It's a strategic initiative to modernize your processes, streamline more efficient ways of working, and create new opportunities to provide value to customers, facilitated by digital technologies. At PTC, we think of it as closing the loop between your digital and physical worlds, so you can bring more innovative products and solutions to the market while building a dynamic, highly engaged workforce. For industrial enterprises, digital transformation has become an urgent business imperative, with mounting cost pressures and the constant threat of disruption driving the need to become more agile and efficient. Surviving in the increasingly digital future means investing now, but adopting new technology and scaling it out can be complex. Success isn't guaranteed, and while most industrial organizations have already begun their digital transformation journey, many have failed to realize the full value and potential of their technology investments. Companies that have been successful start by defining a compelling business case that identifies how and where digital solutions can provide measurable business value. Implementing digital technologies often requires making systemic changes to long-standing processes. So it's equally important to foster a strong digital culture and get alignment across your organization, from the top floor to the shop floor. As a digital transformation partner with a leading portfolio of purpose-built solutions, PTC is helping industrial companies to improve their bottom line, drive revenue growth, and facilitate better customer experiences. We use our digital technology to transform the physical world while keeping an eye out for what's next.